Hi everyone, today we'll discuss one more problem on sequences and series. Discuss the convergence of the series. If this type of the problem come, discuss the convergence of the series, it is a long-term problem. Because whenever x involves, when x fails, test will be failing when x equal to 1, according to the problem. Generally, so at that time we have to take the value of x, then proceed. So he has given, we don't have to worry for the n term. N term is given 1, 3, 5, so on up to n minus 1, 2, 4, 6, so on up to 2n, x to the power of 2n by 2n. Now un plus 1, if you take un plus 1, 1, 3, 5, so on up to 2n minus 1, this will be how much? N equal to 1 means 2n plus 1, this will be 2n plus 1 divided by 2, 4, 6, so on up to 2n plus x to the power of n equal to 1 means 2n plus 2 divided by 2n plus 2. Now un is here, so we will apply the D'Alembert test. What the D'Alembert test says is sigma un is a positive term series, then limit n tends to infinity, un by un plus 1 equal to L. If L is greater than 1, convergent, less than 1, divergent, equal to 1, test fails. When test fails, we have to apply the another. Now un by un plus 1. What is our un? 1, 3, 5, so on up to 2n minus 1, x to the power of 2n divided by 2, 4, 6, so on up to 2n into 2n. Now un plus 1. Denominator became numerator. 2, 4, 6, so on up to 2n into 2n plus 2. 1, 3, 5, so on up to 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1. This will be 2n plus 2 and this will be x to the power of 2n into x square. Okay. Now, you see 1, 3, 5 up to 2n, 1, 3, 5, they get cancelled. This part and this part, they both get cancelled. So what is left for us? We are left with an x to the power of 2n, x to the power of 2n getting cancelled. So in the numerator, this part is gone. What is the extra part here we are left with? Here 2n, let me write down 2n. Here 2n plus 2, this is 2n plus 2. 2n plus 2 whole square, because this 2n, this 2n. Then this is 2n plus 1 into 1 by x square. 1 by x square. What we are doing is here 2n square taken common. So 1 plus 1 by n square. Here if you take 2n square common, 1 plus 1 by 2n into 1 by x square. Okay. So this part and this part getting cancels. Un by un plus 1. Now apply the limit. N tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity. As n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. So 1 plus 0 square. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 square is 1. 1. So it is, we are left with 1 by 1 square. 1 by x square. 1 by x square is greater than 1. Convergent. 1 by x square less than 1. Divergent. X square equal to 1. D'Alembert test fails. Now we have to go for x square equal to 1. X square equal to 1 implies x equal to plus or minus 1. But only we are testing for x equal to 1. Only positive value or x square equal to plus 1. No, that's it. Now we are applying the D'Alembert test. So what is un by un plus 1? We have un by un plus 1. This is the part. X square equal to 1 we have taken. So 2n plus 2 whole square by 2n by 2n plus 1. 2n plus 2 whole square divided by 2n into 2n plus 1. This is same as a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 4 to the 8n divided by 4n square plus 2n. 2n. Okay. So un by un plus 1 minus 1. So take minus 1. So n into un by un plus minus 1. So if you take 4n square plus 2n. This is 4n square plus 4 plus 8n minus 4n square minus 2n. So minus 4n square plus 4n square gone. Gone. So we are left with 8 minus 2 is 6n plus 4 divided by 4n square minus 2n. Excuse me. un by un plus 1 minus 1. I'm multiplying by n both the sides. So now this will be 6n square plus 4n divided by 4n square plus 2n. So what we are doing is n square we are taking common. 6 plus 4 by n square if you are taking common 4 plus 2n by 2n by 4n. Or just n square if we take common. Oh. I am making mistake. For n square if you take common 4 plus 2 by n. Gone. Now apply limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity. N into un by un plus 1 minus 1. As n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. 6 by 4. 6 by 4 is 3 by 2. 6 by 4 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, convergent by Raabe test. Convergent by Raabe's test when x square equal to or x equal to 1. You see what we have done? The n term is given, so simply we have taken un. Then we did un plus 1. Then apply the D'Alembert test. Un by un plus 1. We got answer as after solving limit 1 by x square. Greater than 1 convergent, less than 1 divergent, x square equal to 1 test fail. So x square equal to test fails means we can't leave. It is a long problem and it appeared in I think June 15 of Osmania University, Engineering, Osmania University. So then test fail when x square equal to 1. We put x square equal to 1, then applied the Raabe test. So 3 by 2 is greater than 1 convergent. So 3 by 2 less than 1, if limit is greater than 1 convergent, less than 1 divergent, Again equal to 1. Here also the test fails. But we got the answer greater than 1. 3 by 2 greater than 1. Convergent by Raabe test when x square equal to 1. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.